to Collins.
Hi, how are you feeling today? How are you feeling for Collins?
I have good feelings because I didn't waste my summer for playing video games and stuff, and Collins is a good lesson for English grammar and writing. How are you? How are you feeling today because you're here?
I'm feeling so happy. We're hanging out with our friends, and it was so good today. It was very excited. Our friends, we laughed a lot. We had a lot of time together.
Today we came from Collins to bowling, and we have a lot of fun and activities. We play and we eat with our teacher and my friends.